Hi everyone. We are back again with what are we back with? A giveaway. And it is a spot prize giveaway. And yes, I have my little helper with me today. Put your hands in, say hello to everyone. Hello everyone. Can you tell everyone what we've got to give away? And what have we got? Can you show them what we have?
Many of these.
Oh, what is that?
We got a teddy bear, which I like. So
A teddy bear which you like, and it's a teddy bear tag that Nanny made, isn't
teddy
it?
bear tag.
It's a teddy bear tag, and we also have this lovely pocket tag that me and Frannie just put together, didn't we? And what did we put in it? Can you tell everyone what's in it?
We did put this in there all together.
We did, and what's that? Who's hiding here? What are they? Is that a Charlie, is it? Oh, it looks... It's pussycats. We've put a pussycats in there, and we've got a little person. And what are these?
Those are flowers.
Flowers. And we made a beautiful... What did we make?
We made a heart.
We made a heart charm, didn't we?
And we made a beautiful butterfly.
Beautiful butterfly.
And we made this.
So, guys, we made it beautiful, didn't we? So, this is the Spot Prize giveaway, and we've been playing these games, and we are finding them so much fun. So, this time... Oh, so this time...
I was talking.
Oh, I'm sorry you was talking. Sorry, you go.
So, guys, we was playing. So, guys, I want to pick. Say what I done.
Oh, shall we tell them what they have to do to win this prize?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone. So what you have to do now, this is another tag I made from an old book, and we've been going through things, list things, and this one is name an actor you had a crush on. Well, there have been a few over the years, you know, not giving away my age. Oh yeah, can I just tell them what we're doing first, then you can talk, okay? Okay, give me 1 minute. So, obviously, there has been more than one over the years. So, what I'm going to do, I am going to write one down today. You can all have a guess. If no one gets it, I'll add another one on, and I'll keep on adding until somebody hits one. So, this is an actor I've had a crush on over the years. So, I'm going to start with one. If no one gets it right today, tomorrow I will be back. I will add another actor. I will add more goodies to the pot, and we'll keep on going, adding until somebody gets it right. Now you can talk.
So, guys, we got Nanny's hair. So, guys, I want to talk to you.
Oh,
Guys.
what are you talking to them? What are you saying? All right, let me just say one more thing then. So all you have to do is you have to be a subscriber and leave your answer in the comment box below. You get one guess a day. And like I said, we'll be back tomorrow to let you know if anyone's got it. I'll put one name down tonight, my first choice. And then there are a couple, so I'll add another one which will give you more options. And we'll see how we go. So it is name an actor I had a crush on. Okay, and these are the prizes. Shall we go now? Shall we say bye-bye? You want to talk? Shall I tell you what? Look, let me take this off here and you can say hello. Are you ready to say hello? Say, hello, everyone.
Hello.
Oh, you're wiggling on my bum. You're wiggling on my chest. You don't know what to say.
Let's say bye to it.
We're going to say bye. Shall we wave then and say bye-bye, everyone. Bye. See you all soon. Bye.